Nokia 9.3 Nokia 9.3 smartphone runs on Android V10, Q, operating system. The phone is powered by octa-core, 2.84 GHz, single-core, Creo 585 plus 2.42 GHz, tri-core, Creo 585 plus 1.8 GHz, quad-core, Creo 585, processor. It runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset. It has 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. Nokia 9.3 smartphone has a PLED display. The screen has a resolution of 1440 by 2560 pixels and 467 pixel density. On camera front, the buyers get a 24MP primary camera, and on the rear, there's an 108 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13MP camera with features like digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. It is backed by a 4500 mAh battery. Connectivity features in the smartphone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, Volt, NFC and more. Nokia 9.3 price. Nokia 9.3 smartphone price is likely to be $908.04, 68,990 rupees. Nokia 9.3 launched in the country on July 8, 2020. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.